EU second engineer, RORO, Italian flag, €7,000 net to Embark 1148. As we know, we have had many contacts from the politicians regarding employment policies and how to grant jobs for the future engineers, the future chief engineers, the future managing directors, the future fleet managers, the future ship owners, the future really business people that all come from these kind of companies. Well, we have had zero contact from the governments. I guess they are very busy now with other issues apart from giving employment or generating waves and so on, giving health to people and the long term. Therefore, it is very interesting if you are working up north, freezing cold, with people that never smile, and the people that eat both never Italian food. We all love Italian food. Then Italian cook, RORO, if you are on board a cruise ship, massified with everybody around, like 7,000 people on board that ship. It could be there is a virus tomorrow and they have an issue. These are ROROs. ROROs, no problema, always work. You don't need English. We accept all European nationalities. Unfortunately, Italian flag does not allow Ukrainians. But please apply urgently if you're thinking the trade is from Valencia, Barcelona to Italy. We're looking for about 20 second engineers, €7,000. Some of you are getting much more. Some of you are sailing far away or not have social security or are on board the fishing or the cruise or flag of convenience, do not have social security, unemployment, pension, sanitary assistance for your family and so on. And some really like to be tranquil with very good Italian state-of-the-art professionals. This fleet is 37,000 tons to 67,000 tons, so you could start today, second engineer, on board the small ship of 37,000 ton RORO, tomorrow be on board the 67,000 ton RORO, and then the day after, the next contract, the third contract, be the chief engineer of that 67,000 tonner, and then in the fourth contract you can be the chief engineer of the new building state-of-the-art, the most modern RORO, 67,000 tons, sailing between Spain and Italy, Mediterranean waters, and also Italian food, Italian crew, very good professionals, and just not this massified cruise and so on. Apply urgently, because if you like the family and the stability and the long term, this is a family company, yeah, and the Candina is also a family company, and we want you to be member of our family. I know some others pay much more and they have bigger this and bigger that, yes, but some others like stability, being members of a project, know that I can be like Arnold Schwarzenegger. I can be today a 37,000 ton second engineer, then the 67,000, then I can be the chief engineer, and then I can have the new build, and then this is really a professional 4-step path. And I know this company, whatever virus there is around, then I will be covered by social security, and this RORO business is the biggest and the best stable business in the planet. So please apply urgently. Thank you very much indeed for your time. Like and subscribe. Bye.